Have you ever wondered if SoFi, that sleek little financial app, can handle those big-time wire transfers? You know, the kind that make your heart race and your palms sweat? Well, let's dive in and find out together. Imagine this scenario. You're about to close a major deal, and the money needs to be transferred across the globe ASAP. Can SoFi handle the pressure? Or is it more suited for smaller, everyday transactions? We're going to explore SoFi's wire transfer capabilities, from the fees involved to the speed and security of the process. What are wire transfers? Let's start with the basics. A wire transfer is a quick and secure way to send money electronically from one bank account to another, often across international borders. It's like sending a digital money order, but faster and more reliable. Can SoFi do wire transfers? The short answer is yes, SoFi can handle wire transfers. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Domestic versus international, SoFi can handle both domestic and international wire transfers. However, international transfers may take longer and involve additional fees. Fees, SoFi charges a fee for wire transfers, and the amount may vary depending on the transfer type and destination. It's important to check SoFi's fee schedule before initiating a transfer. Speed, wire transfers are generally faster than traditional bank transfers. However, the exact speed can vary depending on the banks involved and the destination country. Security, SoFi uses advanced security measures to protect your money and personal information. This includes encryption and two-factor authentication. How to do a wire transfer with SoFi? Doing a wire transfer with SoFi is relatively straightforward. Here's a general overview of the process. Log into your SoFi account. Navigate to the Transfers section. Select Wire Transfer. Enter the recipient's information, including their bank account number, routing number, and name. Provide the amount you want to transfer. Review the transaction details and fees. Confirm the transfer. SoFi versus traditional banks. Compared to traditional banks, SoFi offers a few advantages when it comes to wire transfers. Convenience, SoFi's mobile app makes it easy to initiate and track wire transfers from anywhere. Speed, in some cases, SoFi's wire transfers may be faster than those offered by traditional banks. Lower fees, SoFi's wire transfer fees may be competitive compared to some traditional banks. Factors to consider before choosing SoFi for your wire transfer needs. It's important to consider the following factors. Transfer amount. If you're transferring a large amount of money, you may want to compare fees and speed offered by different financial institutions. Destination country. Some countries may have restrictions or additional fees associated with wire transfers. Exchange rates. If you're transferring money internationally, be aware of the exchange rate that SoFi will use. So, can SoFi handle your wire transfer needs? The answer is yes, but it's important to weigh the factors we've discussed, such as fees, speed, and security. If you're looking for a convenient and secure way to send money electronically, SoFi is definitely worth considering. Have you ever used SoFi for wire transfers? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're still unsure about whether SoFi is the right choice for you, consider trying their service out with a smaller transfer to see how it works. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.